Today's topic is motive.
It's been an afternoon and it's been a very long time that I have not recorded any vlog. Now today I'm going to record a vlog and I'm very thankful to you to give me such a big response because I was not expecting that the views will go over 10 but it goes over 60. So it's been a very big deal for me and it's been a very celebration and enjoying day for me. So thank you for your love and support, but still you have not subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe to my channel Vlogger Rishikant so that you can get the video at your first instant. Let's start the video. For today the topic is motive. Like for my channel it's being a motive. I know all of you were having a question that why I have started this channel. So the motive is here. The whole description is here. We have seen many people in our life that they are struggling or they are in a depression or they have a lack of confidence for doing any of the thing. Like they even doesn't have a confidence to just give money to someone also. So this is not a good thing in world. So and not a good thing in the human beings also. So for this I am here, Rishikant, to explain this whole topic. My channel is an inspirational channel. It used to inspire people so that they can do their work as smart, as hard and as good as possible, because I know that like there are many sorrow, many sadness in this whole world. But I am here to just get away your sorrow. I know that you just wanted to have a fun video, but still I can just only give by a personal experience to you. Like whatever I experienced yet, I could only tell that, and from that I just get that all of you would love it and all of you would get inspired from my whole video series. So let's start the video. So the motive. What is a motive? A motive is a topic on which you used to get upon it or you used to work upon it. Motive. So firstly you need to have a motive of your life. You need to first have a motive of your work. You first have a motive of whatever you are doing. Like I'm doing blogging and my motive is to inspire you. In the same way, you should also have a motive that if I'm an engineering student and I need to go to IIT or a good college, a good engineering college, or you are a doctor, then you need, or you are a NEET aspirant, then you need to just become a great doctor, a great surgeon in AIIMS or many other largest and big medical universities. So yeah, motive is very important. Everybody needs to set their motive first. So like whenever you just feel that you have set your motive, then just work upon it. It is a simple theory, it is a simple logic and it is not as hard and far, but you just need to work. The only thing is that you just need to work. It's your choice that you need to work as hard as possible or as smart as possible. See, I know most of you would think that hard and smart is the same thing, but no, it's a different. Because I know from the words it is different, from the meaning it is different, but it is actually a different thing. Like hard work is something you just working upon it, like you have a passion for it and you are working upon it, working, but result is not as you are working. But a smart work means that whatever you work, whether it is in a short period of time, but the result is as you have been expecting from it. For an example, if you are an engineering aspirant or if you are a job aspirant or you are like you are working somewhere and your boss gave you a work to complete. Now firstly you would think about it. If you are a fresher in that company, in that particular company, then you would think and you would ensure the boss that I will do it as far as possible. You would start working it definitely. You will work from the morning to the night, and even though in the nights also, even though you would not take your sleep, but still you need to take your sleep. It is mandatory that you need to take at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep so that you can work very well and very good. So yeah, after that you start working. You were working and after a week, when the time is there that you need to give your presentation or you need to give your work, whatever you have done. When the boss asks you, you just hand over to it. But but whenever you hand it over, when the boss sees that project, the two types of things that comes to the mind, whether he has done a hard work or smart work. Smart work means like you have done the project in only 3 days and not in a week. That is a smart work. That person has taken a good sleep. He is being very refreshed. He has not been he is not in any of the trouble, and then only he would be able to do the further work in just 3 days. What does this mean? That his mindset is being set to a very happy and a jolly mood, and now he is very refreshed, he is very fresh, and now he can do the work in a very small period of time. Whereas the other person who is doing the work for a week is not as good as possible, as he is working like a bull. The bull used to roam in the field and nobody is there to give them the direction, but they roam. So like that only he used to work. He used to work for a week. He doesn't care about the night, the morning, the sleep, the lunch, the dinner, whatever he has to take. He just have to work. Actually, it is a type of a burden which comes to your brain when your senior, when your boss just gets to you. So for that people, I'm just telling that you shouldn't have anything like that. You should not look upon that whatever the boss is given is a very big thing, is a very big deal for me, or it is very, very big. Like it will take a lot of time of me. I could not be able to do. No, this is not the thing. Or I just hard working. I would do it, and I'm just I'm not care about what whether I have to take the lunch or when I have to take the lunch or when I have to sleep. So that is not the thing. You have to do your work at a particular time. Be punctual with your everything, like for a sleeping also, or for just getting your lunch, eating your lunch, or eating your dinner. Just be punctual and make your mind refresh. Whenever you work, you just work in the morning. I know some of people will say that like our parents have said that like we should wake up at 4 or early in the morning so that we can work as the mind is refreshed. Actually, that thing is correct. It is absolutely correct, as I have experienced also. When there were exams in my previous years, when I was able to face the exam, then I used to wake up 2 in the morning on the date of the exam. It is not like that that I have not done the preparation for the whole week or for the holidays, but still I can tell you that if I wake up in the 2 in the morning, then what happens? This happens is that my work, whatever I have learned, whatever I have read, whatever I've been revising, just gets to my mind perfectly. And if I have to do some other work, like I have to make a project, or I have to make I have to do some digital work, then what thing happens? Like our minds get refreshed in the morning. We doesn't have any sorrow, we doesn't have any happiness there. Our mind is normal, it's neutral, it's very good, it is very calm, and we are able to do work very silently. And you will also notice that there is no one to disturb you at that time, but there are some people who can disturb you while the whole day. Whole day means from 8 o'clock in the morning to the night 10 o'clock. Okay, so there's few people who can trouble you, who can disturb you while you are working, but in the morning nobody is there to trouble you, as your friends doesn't have so much of, like, the friends which are not very happy from your success or from your work would definitely disturb you. But you need to just make a time out of it, or you just need to ignore, or you just need to take a time out of it. Like I have to work for 5 hours from this time to this time, and then I have to talk to my friends. And even though when you are talking to the friends, just be straightforward. Don't be like a very a rhyming student, like a very rhyming people. Like whatever he's saying, you just giving the answer in a round. You just making him to round and round, and then you are giving the answer. No, that is not correct. You just you just give the answer in a straightforward manner, so that person also feels, the opposite person should also feel that no, he's doing the work, I should not disturb him, and he's straightforward, he doesn't have any interest on me, on my talks, any interest in my talks, and so I should leave him and leave him to do his work. Okay, so that is the thing. So motive is very important, whatever the motive is, and then hard work or a smart work, it is your choice, then that is important. So at the end of the video, I would only say this, that please have a motive of whatever you are doing, act upon it in whichever way you want to act, but just act upon it, and very disciplinedly, very silently, and very eligibility, you need to work upon it. So let's end this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And one quote is also there for you. Like, quote is, a great future can only be achieved when you believe in your dream and act upon it. This means that whenever you have a dream, like if someone have a dream that he is the richest person of the world, then he need to act upon it very firmly, or like a hardworking or smart working person, he need to work upon it, and then he could be able to achieve. So those who believe that their dreams are going to be true one day, those people only can get the dream as far as possible, as soon as possible, and also in a very good manner. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new, then just subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification on, so that whenever I upload a video or when I come live to the YouTube, you would get a notification as fast as possible. So hope we will meet in the next video.